Welcome. I'm attorney Lana Joseph at the law office of Marcius Joseph Associates. We are forever expanding, bringing you more expertise, more solution to your legal needs, and faster results. We've been blessed with some amazing new talents. We've added attorney Hassan. He brings the expertise in criminal defense, accidents, and personal injury.
I am attorney Hassan. What I like about this firm is that we form an incredible team that fight beyond of anything to represent and protect the interests of our clients. What our clients like about us is that when they call us, they actually talk to us.
We also have paralegal Lucia. She has over 10 years of experience in immigration, and especially asylum cases.
Hi, I'm Lucia. What I like most of working with this firm is how we care about our clients. Seeing the smile on their face after we solve their difficult cases. For instance, I've been working on this asylum case for over a week now, putting evidence together to support the case. I'm confident this asylum case will be granted.
We have legal assistant Jessie Charles with her focus in personal injury, medical malpractice. She's also our next future lawyer.
Hello, my name is Jessie Charles and I serve as the legal assistant of Marcius Joseph Associates. What I appreciate the most about working here is how quickly we move on our personal injury cases to ensure that we are getting our clients the money that they deserve in a timely manner.
With this talented and dedicated team, sky is the limit. You can rest assured your criminal cases, traffic citations, immigration, deportation cases, accidents, personal injury, medical malpractice, legal contracts, wills, and so much more. They are in good hands. Call us today for your free consultation and let's go win together.